Okay, so it's been a long day. I just got home. I just got comfortable, put on some sweats and a tank top. So put up my hair. So I just got comfortable. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys the things that I purchased on today. And because I did make another stop at the Dollar Tree and I found some things there as well. So I'm going to show you guys all that I purchased today. I'm not going to pot anything up tonight. I'm going to relax, eat me some soup that I got from PF Chang's last night when me and hubby went out on our date. So I'm going to go and I'm going to show you guys the rest of the items that, well, I'm going to show you all the items that I purchased on today. And that's about it. So, um, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe as always. But let me show you guys my philodendron Brazil while I'm right here in my bathroom. Look how gorgeous she is. She's so full. So now I'm really feeling like I need to repot her. Look how full she is. I need to repot her. Then I also think I want to take some cuttings because you see that in the back. I'm taking this and I'm going to make a pot out of this one. And I'm going to give my husband's friend, I'm going to make like a little planter for him. He asked me to make him, he asked for some of my plants. So I just figured that I'll just give him some that I was already propagating. So I'm going to make him a little, you know, arrangement with this. So, all right, just hold on. I'll show you guys the things, the items that I purchased today. I didn't purchase this. So I purchased this spider plant and I really like it because of how curly the leaves are. I didn't want a spider plant because of how much they grow, but I figured I'll just go ahead. I think it's cute. I like how it's variegated. And I love how it curls up. It reminds me of my ponytail palm. So that's why I'm just going to go ahead and pot that up. Oh, well, I'm going to repot it tomorrow, not today. Because look at the roots. It has to be repotted, definitely. So I'll repot that tomorrow. I purchased this one as well. It just says cactus, so I don't know what kind of cactus it is. Don't worry about my oyster crackers. That's going to be with my soup that I'm going to eat in just a second after this video. Oh, I purchased this. I don't know what type of cactus it is, but I'm going to use my Plant ID app that I have on my phone and see if it can tell me what that is. I bought this leaf shine because I'm going to clean up all my plants on tomorrow. So it's a moisture guard as well. It adds a natural looking shine. And so I'm going to use that. See how that all works. Now we did buy these today. There was some Girl Scouts when we came out of the Anderson garden. So they talked my husband into purchasing them and he doesn't even eat them. But I said, okay, I'm going to eat them. So I'm going to eat those, not today, maybe another day. I purchased all these pots from the Dollar Tree. Now, mind you, they don't have holes, but if I wanted to put holes, I can always definitely put holes in them. It already have 3 little, actually, I might just be able to just push those through, maybe. But they're plastic pots, so I'm just going to be using these for decorations. I'm not going to use these for, you know, anything other than decorations. But I thought they were cute. I love colors, so these will definitely work, especially with my living room, the green and the blue. I mean, my dining room, the green and the blue work perfectly in there. The red ones are for like a pop of color. I purchased this. I'm going to use this when I propagate some of my flowers. This is a hanging basket. It's a wire hanging basket. I might, I don't know if I'm going to leave it black. I'm thinking about, I might spray paint this a different color. Got some gloves. So I purchased this that says hope, this that says faith, and this other rock that says peace. So peace, hope, and faith. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my I actually have two plant stands. Even though I have all my plants like in one general area, I do have plant stands, but they're out on my sun porch, which is not a closed-in sun porch. So, well, it is, but you know, I'm going to clean it off before I bring it inside my house. I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. These were only $1. I bought these, so when I bring in my plant stand, I'm going to put these on them, so at night it can, you know, be lit up. And I figure that all this color together, it's going to be really, really pretty. I really love these peace and hope rocks. I just really do love those. Well, I showed y'all my garden gloves that I purchased. And I purchased this from Anderson's. This is the soil builder I was talking about. These all natural ingredients. So you got the worm castings in there. It got pretty much a lot of things that's going to pretty much like boost the soil. So these are the things that it does. So I am definitely, I put my ZZ plant inside one of the pots that I just got, just to see how it would look, and I like it. Even though, you know, my pot is the pot that's the ZZ plant in doesn't necessarily fit all the way, but it looks like it just has a black rim on the top. So, and while we're talking about the ZZ plant, look how much new growth. And as you know, the new growth is all the lime green, hasn't turned dark green yet, but yes. And look, I have another one coming open. This one has been going crazy, so this one is growing up as well. It's crazy because the second leaf that came out a lot bigger than the first leaf, so I don't know what that's all about. This is not part of this video, but I have to repot this. And the crazy thing, look at my roots coming out. I just recently pot this up. I gave my best friend another piece of it. Someone at work gave me this, so I propagated it in water until they had enough roots, and then I put mine in this one, and I put hers in a little clay pot. But my roots are coming out the bottom already, so I'm definitely going to have to change that. So this is all the stuff that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And then I showed you guys my the Sansevieria that I purchased, the snake plant that I got for my brother-in-law. And then that one as well. I don't know, I might just give him that one and keep that one for myself, because I don't want to have to repot anything. I want him to be able to choose whatever pot he wants, so I might just keep that one for myself and just give him that big one. Well, I was going to give him that one anyway. I bought it for him. I showed you guys this one. I purchased this one today, and it's okay that that one has a little yellowing leaf. I'm hoping that, you know, work my magic with it, and then it'll come back. So I'll see. Look at this. You know, I bought this rubber plant last week. One of the leaves came open already, so I'm excited about that. Now this one, oh my goodness, this one was like this. It was like spilled over. Like it was like laid over earlier today, and when I gave it some water, it perked right up. I said, oh, now I see why people say this plant is so finicky, that you definitely got to keep the soil moist. I can't wait 2 weeks to water this one like I do the rest of my plants. This one, I know for sure I'm going to have to water this one every day. So definitely want to start watering this one. I mean, not every day, excuse me, every week. Definitely will start watering this one every week from now on. But so yes, those are the plants that I purchased today. I'm really excited about this one. I saw this one somewhere before, and I think something comes out the top, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna just research this a little further, but I really like this Sansevieria. But yes, guys, thanks for watching. This is my little plant haul, and Cashy Cash, my baby. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.